Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have 40 monster trucks for the farthest jump competition. Yes, it's gonna be amazing. We got Bigfoot, Gravedigger, Son of a Digger, and even Lightyear making a debut in our YouTube channel. Alright guys, who's ready? Because I'm ready. Let's get started with Wolfhead. And not a bad jump. Ooh, that's actually gonna be kind of hard to beat. Let's look at the instant replay. It's a little bouncy right there. Alright, not bad for Wolfhead for the first debut of our YouTube channel. Pretty good. And another monster truck making our debut. It's Black Stallion, and unfortunately not good at all. Man, that's gotta be disappointing for the Black Stallion team. But up next, it's Pirate's Curse. Let's see what he does. Ooh, not bad. Doesn't beat Wolfhead. But look at that. Air. Wow. Yeah, these monster trucks are going to get a lot of air. Alright, next monster truck. Up next is Alien Evasion. Let's see what he does. He does okay. He doesn't beat Wolfhead. Let's look at the instant replay. Gets a little wobbly. He turns left and then rolls over on his side. Not bad for Alien Evasion. Up next is Mohawk Warrior. And not bad. Let's look at the instant replay. Good. Did a little wheelie right there. Nice. Our next monster truck coming up is Avenger. Let's see what he does. And doesn't do that great also. Man. Up next, it's Necessary Roughness making a debut. Not that bad. Let's look at the replay. Wow, that's good air. Does some barrel rolls and unfortunately cannot save it on its side. But man, good one. Doesn't beat Wolfhead, but wow. Up next is Earthshaker. Let's see what he does. Oh, I think that beated Wolfhead. I think that's a new leader. Let's see. Wow. He rolls over on the dump, I guess. And yes, it is a new leader. Up next is Jester. Can he beat Earthshaker? Unfortunately, no. Up next is Tropical Thunder. I can't wait to see him. Not bad. Good air. Looks like he saves it. Up next, it is the Ice Cream Man. Let's see what he does. And unfortunately, cannot beat Earthshaker. Let's look at the replay. Up next is Monster Vet making a debut. Let's see what he does. And good air. Oh, man. Check out the air. And then he does a flip onto a wheelie and then rolls over, unfortunately, on its side. But that was a good one. Didn't beat Earthshaker, but a good one. Up next is El Toro Loco, the Crazy Bowl. Oh, not bad, not bad. Look at the instant replay. A good one. Does a flip. And then he looks like he turns right. Not bad. Up next is Big Kahuna. Let's see what he does. Okay, not bad. Got the good air. Then got a bounce. A little save right there. Not bad. Up next is Overkill Evolution. Let's see what he does. And oh, he got that weird bounce. Take a look at the instant replay. That weird bounce right there. And then saves it. But unfortunately, it's not enough to beat Earthshaker. Up next is Gravedigger the Legend. Let's see what he does. And not bad, not bad. Look at the instant replay. Good air, good air. And then he does a flip. Another flip. And unfortunately, rolls over onto its side. Our next truck is Max D going early here. Let's see what he does. Oh! Did you see that? We got a new leader. We gotta look at that replay. He does a little flip, lands on his wheels, and takes the lead from Earthshaker. Wow, that's gonna be hard to beat. That is gonna be hard to beat. Will someone else beat Max D? Up next is Kraken. Will he beat Max D? No, unfortunately. Look at the instant replay. Got good air. Got that weird bounce, and unfortunately cannot save it. Cannot beat Max D. Up next is One Bad Scoop. Here we go, and oh! A very weird bounce. Here's the instant replay. Got the weird bounce. Rolls over onto its lid. What was that? Up next is Blue Thunder. And, ooh, not bad. Doesn't beat Max D. Here's the instant replay. Got that weird bounce on the front tires. Not bad. Up next is Snakebite. Let's see what he can do. And not bad. Look at the instant replay. He got a little sideways. Does that. And then unfortunately cannot save it and cannot beat Max D. Up next is Jurassic Attack. Let's see what he can do. And oh, he's onto a wheelie. That was awesome. Let's look at the instant replay. He goes high, then got the weird bounce, then does a little flip, another flip, and then on to back of its tires. Wow. Unfortunately, cannot beat Max D. Up next is Dragon. Let's see what he could do. And oh, what a save. Let's look at the instant replay. He gets that bounce on its front tires. And then he saves it right there. That was awesome. Unfortunately, cannot beat Max D though. Man. Up next is Two School. Let's see what he could do. And oh man, that was actually pretty good. Let's look at the instant replay. Got the high air, got the bounce on his back tires, and then onto the track, and then doing some mini flips, and then unfortunately rolls over onto its lid. Not bad. That was pretty impressive. Up next is Buns of Steel, and oh! Well, that wasn't great. Let's look at the instant replay. Man, that was a hard hit right there. Ouch! Man! I hope he's okay. Alright, we just got word from Pit Crew that Buns of Steel is okay. A little bit of a hard hit right there. Got some issues with the truck. Up next is the... Oh! Well, I was about to say, that is the DeLorean Machine Monster Truck. But then, he saves it right there before I can say his name. Wow. Nice. Up next is Zombie. Let's see what he can do. And unfortunately, cannot do that great. Let's look at the instant replay. Not the best, unfortunately, for Zombie. Man. Up next is Megalodon. Let's see what he can do. Oh, and he's in the monster truck pile. Let's look at the instant replay. He hit the front tires and then onto the track and then on to the monster truck pile. Man, oh man, oh man. That was crazy right there. Up next is Carolina Crusher. Let's see what he can do. And not the best. Let's look at the instant replay. Man. Hit the front tires, then rolls over. Not the best, unfortunately, for Carolina Crusher. I know he wanted to do much better than this. Up next is Brutus. Let's see what he can do. And not the best, unfortunately, for Brutus. Man, a couple monster trucks are having a tough time in this competition. A couple monster trucks are not going as far as we expected. But our next monster truck coming up is Bigfoot. Let's see what he can do. Alright, he's staged up. Here he goes. And, oh! So close! Here's the instant replay. Good air. And then he does a little flip. And then he almost rolls over. But unfortunately, that cannot beat Max D. So close. So close. Coming up next is Aftershock. And, oh, what a save. Let's look at this instant replay. Not great air. But look at this. What a save, man. That was awesome. Up next is Raising Cane, and he doesn't do that great, unfortunately. Here's the instant replay. Not the best. Does a little wheelie, and then back on 4 tires. Coming up next, it is Gravedigger, and no, unfortunately, cannot do it. He cannot win today, unfortunately. Here's the instant replay. Fortunately, cannot get the save. And cannot beat Max D. Coming up next, it is Whiplash. Let's see what she can do. And, oh, so close. Here's the instant replay. Looks like Whiplash went to the right and then did some mini flips, I guess. And then cannot save it. So close, though. Coming up next, it is Monster Mutt. Let's see what he can do. And not the best. Not the best. Here's the instant replay. That wasn't bad, but cannot be Max D. Is anyone going to beat Max D? We got a couple trucks left. Coming up next, it is One Bad Ghoul. Oh, what a save! Here's the instant replay. Good air. Gets a little bit wobbly there. And then here's the save. That kind of looked like Aftershock's save. Not bad. Coming up next, it is Full Board. Let's see what he can do. Oh, so close. Here's the instant replay. Got that bounce on its front tires. Does some mini flips. And stops right there. We have 2 more trucks left. 2 more trucks. We got Son of a Digger. And then Buzz Lightyear. And Son of a Digger does some mini flips. Cannot beat Max D. Here's the instant replay. Bam. Does some mini flips. And then gets back on all 4 tires. Not bad. But we got 1 more truck. That is Buzz Lightyear. Can he beat Max D and win? We're going to find that out. Here it is. It's Buzz Lightyear. Can he beat Max D? No, it is over. Let's look at the instant replay though. Good air. And then got that bounce on its back tires. And then does a flip. And then onto the track. So close. Let's look at our top 3 monster trucks that went the farthest. Coming in third, it is Buzz Lightyear. Coming in second, it is Bigfoot. And coming in first, your winner of the farthest jump competition is Max D. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.